Look, instead of chasing girls, you understand that you need to be chasing a better version of yourself. This is why your mentality should shift from, man, how do I make Vanessa fall in love, to how do I become a desirable man where no matter what girl you interact with, they end up visualizing a life with you. They like the future prospect of what you can become, and that you do through your hard work. You do it by growing up, becoming stronger, becoming more masculine, becoming independent. Forget about playing video games all the time. Forget about just being lazy, living in your mom's room, with no job, nothing to do. Start going to the gym. Start piling on responsibilities. This is the quickest way to mature and fulfill what your duties should become. See, once you start piling on responsibilities, and even if you don't, let's say you're 14, you're 15, you're just starting out. Obviously, your responsibilities are minimal until you hit your mid-20s when you're really living alone. But even when you're starting young, you can start piling on responsibilities by piling on goals. The more ambitious your goals are, the bigger they are for yourself, the more responsibilities you're going to have to lay on yourself to be able to achieve whatever said goal is, whether it's in school, whether it's being an athlete, whether it's building your business. Put on goals, pile on responsibilities, and become a man. Number 2, I need you to become proud. And I'm not talking about the fake proud where you're looking at yourself in the mirror, beating your chest to try to fool yourself into being confident. Yeah, that works for a little bit, but to become truly desirable, you have to be proud. Proud with actual achievements. I was watching this podcast with David Goggins. I think he said it best.
Nietzsche said, I know of no better life purpose than to perish in attempting the great and impossible. The fact that something seems impossible shouldn't be a reason to not pursue it. That's exactly what makes it worth pursuing. Where would the courage and greatness be if success was certain and there was no risk? The only true failure is shrinking away from life's challenges.
The point is, you want to do it through your accomplishments and not through fake achievements. See, when you're doing it through fake achievements, you're faking it till you make it. It's palpable. And if the girl is confident enough or another man is confident enough, they'll be able to break through that confidence because it's not real. There's nothing established. You can't actually prove your work. This is why, like I mentioned before, you need to become that man, right? You need to put on those goals, those responsibilities, so you have those accomplishments stacked up and you can become a proud man. This takes me to number 3. You need to put in more effort into your appearance. Bro, it shows that you care. It shows that you know how to carry yourself. It adds to that visual value, to that visual confidence that I'm talking about. And so many men still don't grasp this concept. What you wear truly matters. People are making split decisions on you. They judge you all day long. People like to say, don't judge a book by their cover. They're judging you by your cover. And if you're not taking care of your physical appearance, both with your grooming and your style, you're losing, bro. You're leaving so much out on the table. And I'm not telling you to redo your entire wardrobe. Bro, start simple. Like, slowly but surely, when you have extra cash, all right, buy one thing here, another thing here that you know will build you up. For example, I love glasses. I think when it comes to clothing or accessories, glasses has to be the most bang for your buck. It has to be the most powerful accessory that you can throw on that not only visually makes you look more stylish, it also makes you look more attractive. And it's a functional piece. It protects your eyes. It protects your skin from the sun's damage. Glasses also adds mystery to you as a man. You look more attractive. You look mysterious. You look higher status. Glasses all around, one of the best accessories. I would put it up there with like a watch. 10 out of 10, you must own, and it's easy because you throw that accessory on with any outfit you already wear existingly, and you already look better. That's what I try to do, bro. I try to hook you up, and with Jay Black, we do it with the best in the game. Our glasses are made with a handmade Italian acetate, some of the best designs you're gonna ever find, some of the best materials you're gonna find, but I try to not break the bank. I want it to be as affordable as possible, so affordable that for today, I'm gonna give you an offer. If you guys pick up any 5 pairs of glasses, because I want you to have enough where you're cycling through every day. You have different styles for every day. You're looking good every day of the week. If you pick up any 5 pairs of glasses, I'm gonna give you a $100 discount. $100 off the 5, but I'm not even gonna stop there. I'm also gonna give you our new leather carrying case. It's an organizing case that you can keep in your room to keep your glasses organized, keep them protected, but you can also use it to travel, and it carries up to 6 pairs of glasses. That case sells for over $60 on our site. It's made out of leather, looks sick. I'm gonna gift it to you for free if you guys click that link down below and purchase 5 pairs of glasses, any styles you want, any designs that you want. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. Before, you become responsible. You become responsible for your needs. your actions, your decisions. Again, remember what I talked about becoming a man. Even if you're a young man, you still should become responsible for all of your needs, at least to your best of abilities. I remember when I was young, when I was 15 or 16, and I wanted something. I remember at that time I wanted an Omega watch. It was a vintage watch. It was like $200. Now, my parents didn't have $200 to give me, but I became responsible for that want. And what I did is I flipped my way. I started with a Timex and flipped my way on eBay all the way till I could buy that Omega watch. The point is that I don't even have that Omega watch anymore, but it's the ability to take responsibility even at a young age for everything, your wants, your needs, your decisions, your results out of those decisions, the consequences out of every action you take. Take responsibility. That will not only harden you, it'll also make you see life from a more practical standpoint. That anytime that you need or want something, you'll never think, man, I deserve this, or man, who's gonna give me this? You'll always think from the perspective, how do I get it done? 5, never match her feminine energy. You need to stay in your masculine frame. Don't get emotional. Don't throw temper tantrums. Try to stay neutral across any situation. Remain masculine. And people are going to try to tell you that this is wrong or that this is toxic, but the reality is that in a relationship, opposites attract, and feminine energy attracts masculine energy. No matter how much feminine energy tells you that they do not want it, what they really want is a man that's more masculine than she is, where she can be in her feminine energy. And most of you are too scared to be in that masculine energy because you believe it'll run girls away, where I'm telling you, it's like a magnet. When you are in your masculine energy, most women will want to be with you, which ultimately rolls me to number 6. I need you to stop chasing and start making connections. I'm changing the term. Instead of chasing girls all day long, you're making connections. And what this means is when you usually chase a girl, which is usually one girl, you're obsessed over her, you can't stop thinking about her, all your actions are around that one singular girl, you're wasting your time. Instead, you make connections. See, you just can't be a rich man. You just can't be a high status man. If you have no charisma, you don't know how to engage with people, you have no idea how to have a social interaction, you're still gonna lose. You're still gonna look like a dweeb, you'll just have money. You have to learn how to connect socially, which is why I've always told you, if you have a problem talking with women, if you feel that that's your issue, that when you get to a girl, you can't even talk to them, you have to fix that root cause. And you do that by making connections. Date pickup, right? Go to the gym. Go to the library, go to school, go to the coffee shop, go to the park. Women are everywhere. And every day, you try to make one connection a day. You're not gonna simp over her. You're not gonna fall in love with the first girl you see. Shoot, the connections you make could be ugly girls for all I care. All you're doing is working out your social muscles to make sure you know how to engage with people so that when you become the man, that desirable man, bro, you'll be unstoppable.